Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Fast Decor. I tried to culture clothing and messy wardrobe. Let's today have got some special for you wardrobe design ideas that can not only be organize your space but also elevate your room aesthetic. Whether you are in moving into the new home or a reclaim your exciting one, these tips for are you best. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the layouts. Your wardrobe should be more than just a space or store your clothes. It's all about the functionality and maximizing every inches. So, tip is built in the wardrobe as a fantastic option if you're looking for the safe space and is achieve a clear lines and modern look. They seamless blend with the wall and can be customized with the shelves, hanging space or drawers to meet your need hands. See how it's one we designed it selection to long dresses, short items or even a shoe racks. It's help keep thinking I'm super organized and you are not waste time searching for the favorite outfit. Let's talk about the sliding doors. These are the perfect for the small bedroom or even a space is limited. Sliding doors not only saves space but it's also make your room look sleek and contemporary. Plus with the mirrored sliding door you get at the bonus of making your home with the feel better and brighter and who are not just love that. Now it's if you are fan of modern minimalistics, open wardrobes could be a goal for the choice. They are stylish, aesthetic, and great way to show off your wardrobe collection. Top tips: they keep your open wardrobe clutter free with the using matching hangers and organized by clothes. It's not only look a pressure, but it's help a pick to outfit faster. For those who loves a bit of more space and unlimited dream, walk in the wardrobe image stepping into the every owner wardrobe heaven. It's a being a bid with the fingertips. Custom shelves for shoes, pull out the drawers or accessories, and even a vanity area. Walk-in wardrobe. Also, you customize your heart of count. Do not forget to lightning gold light with the transform your wardrobe feels. Add a LED stripe inside shells or even a motion sense light called elevate and functional touch. And there we have it, some amazing wardrobe design ideas to help you creative a perfect blend of style and functionality. Which ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below and do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more home decor tips, designs and ideas. Until we will see you in next time in next video, keep decorating and styling. Thank you and have a nice